Today is St. Patrick's Day. You're supposed to be putting your potatoes in today. I don't think that's going to happen because it's snowing. So I've just been putting the greenhouse panels back on my greenhouse and freezing my fingers off. And while I was out there, I got a bucket of compost. So what better to do than sow some sunflower seeds? I've washed some plant pots and I'm going to sow some seeds. I'll show you what I've got. Here's my sunflower collection. So these are seeds I collected from this last year. That's them. They don't grow too big, even though they're so giant. These sunflower seeds that I got off my friend a few years ago. I got like that much off my friend. And then these are the ones I've collected myself. That was 2016, this was 2017. They're the same ones that are in the greenhouse. I've got loads. I might see if the school want any of them as well. And they grow big. And then I got these last year, which look good. Sunflower Black Magic. And all these. And there's Russian Giants there. Should I grow a Russian Giant? They look so nice. Italian white, teddy bear. They look good, they're my favourites. But I'm going to do all of them. But today, I'm just going to do some of these because I know they get big. And I might do this. This is for the Sunflower Challenge, by the way. Let's see which ones get the biggest. Where's the size? Oh, height. Ooh, Russian Giant, look. I'm going to have to do some Russian Giant, aren't I? Yeah. So here they are. Russian Giant seeds. Oh, they just look like them. They don't look anything special. There they are. They just look like them. Which is just the normal giant sunflowers. Unless they're Russian Giant as well. It says Sunflower Giant Single. And this says Sunflower Giant Single. And I sorted all the packets out so they're in the right one. So that just says Sunflower Autumn Beauty. But that's this colour fashion there. I have sorted them all out. So it's definitely Giant Russian. But it doesn't say Giant Russian there. So I think they're just the same as them. Which is not Giant Russian. I'll do some anyway. I was excited for them as well. So I'm doing the giant sunflower seeds that we grow, that we've collected from our seeds ourselves. I'm doing what's apparently Russian Giant sunflower seeds. And this is Autumn Beauty. Autumn Beauty only grows up to 1.8 metres. But that's okay. I'm going to be growing all of the seeds. I should have done that. Do all of them eventually. Don't the Autumn Beauty seeds look nice? They're like purpley. I'm sowing the Autumn Beauty first. Filled this up with some compost. And here are the seeds. I'm going to put 2 in each one. Whether I keep them both in each one, I don't know. And they're tiny. next one I'm going to sow the Russian Giant that just look like normal sunflower seeds. I'm going to squish them down in a minute. That's my bucket of compost in the background. It's too cold out there and it's scary when you're in the greenhouse and it wobbles in the wind. So there's the Russian Giant. And the label that I prepared earlier. Now, my giant sunflower seeds. 2 in each one again. I might just keep the healthiest in. There's them. And giant sunflower label, because I don't know the name. My friend might know the name who gave me them in the first place. Now they just need a water. There they are. I'm watering with this because my watering can's in the greenhouse. So that's the sunflower seeds sown for Dean's Lost the Plot sunflower competition and any sunflower competition that's going. Am I allowed to do that? Thanks for watching. Good luck everyone. Yay, it's snowing outside. Sowing seeds in the snow.